Hey everyone, I'm Ryan, and on this episode of Baking with Ryan, I'm making a raspberry rosette cake. The filling is a fresh raspberry jam, and for the outside, I'll teach you how to put 3 different frosting colors into the same piping bag. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. The ingredients you'll need to make the cake are 4 8-inch vanilla cakes, Swiss meringue buttercream, raspberry filling, rose food coloring, and pink food coloring. You'll also need white sanding sugar. You can find the recipe for the cake, frosting, and raspberry filling in the description below. Now let's assemble the cake. Begin by spreading down some buttercream on the cake board to secure down the first cake layer. Then spread it out with a large offset spatula until it resembles a thin layer. Use a piping bag fitted with a round piping tip and pipe a ring of frosting around the edge. Now fill in the center with 1/3 of a cup of raspberry filling. Once again, spread it out into a thin layer with an offset spatula. Place on the second layer and repeat the process 2 more times. After you've spread out the 3rd layer of raspberry filling, place on the 4th cake. Be sure to place it on upside down. This will ensure that your cake has perfectly sharp edges. Then it's time to frost the cake. Use a piping bag fitted with a Wilton No. 789 piping tip and pipe stripes of frosting going up the sides of the cake. Finish off the piping by covering the top in more buttercream. Now, hold a cake scraper on the side of the cake and start spinning the turntable. This is a super easy way to get perfectly smooth sides. Place the cake in the fridge for 20 minutes to firm up. It's now time to make the rosettes. Begin by pulling out a piece of plastic wrap. Then begin piping buttercream stripes in the following color order: white, rose, pink. Pipe out 6 stripes total. Next, fold the plastic wrap in half and roll it into a cylinder. I recommend making 3 cylinders. Now, cut off the plastic wrap on one end and place it into a piping bag. I fitted the piping bag with a Wilton 1M tip. Next is the most fun part, piping the rosettes. Start by applying pressure and then make your way around it in a circular motion. Repeat the process all the way up the sides of the cake. Finally, cover the top of the cake in white sanding sugar. Then spread it out with a spoon. And now the cake is complete. Thanks for watching!